Right, hi guys. I don't know if you've ever happened to you, but we had a leak in the shed, and as you can see, all our spanners have got ruined. So I'm going to get the roots off them in the best way possible. All credit goes back to Backyard Ballistics because this is his recipe. We're going to need citric acid, soda crystals and water. The ratio is 100 grams of citric acid to 1 litre of water, and 69 grams of soda crystals to 1 litre of water. So I've got 2 litres here, so it's going to cover in. What I might do, give that a shake, and I'm going to pour that away. Right guys, so I've given the tools a pre-wash and I decided to mix it in clean water to start with. Handily, this citric acid comes in a 250 gram pouch, so I don't have to measure any of that. Let's get that all in there. While I'm at it, get my gloves on because I know it's a weak acid, but it's still an acid. So just get it nice and mixed up, and then we go and add the soda crystals. I've pre-weighed them out, so once we add them, you can see a straight reaction. That's carbon dioxide, that is, hence why I'm doing it outside. And we've just got to wait for it to stop reacting, which it seems to not take too long to not react. And apparently the good thing about this is, one, it's a lot cheaper than Rustall. I think it costs me about £5 to get the ingredients, and I can do multiple uses of it, and it's gentler on your tools rather than some people like to use hydrochloric acid or caustic soda and stuff like that, which is a lot harsher on your tools. Might just give it a bit more of a mix. Yeah, there we go. Get all that gas going off. Doing a well ventilated space because it is carbon dioxide coming off there. You probably need a lot to do it, to gas yourself, but better safe than sorry. that looks like it's done reacting. So your last ingredient is a bit of washing up liquid as a surfactant. Give that a mix in. And then we are supposed to just dump our tools in there. Fortunately you can't see much of what's going on because of the colour it's turned, but I'll come back in a bit and we'll see what the results are. Right guys, so it's only been 12 minutes so far and some of them are coming up nice. I mean, if you look at that one, it's nearly fully clean. It's just on the inside rings part of it that's doing it. But some of the more rusted pieces, shall we say, I think will need longer. I mean, like, look at that. That's nearly like new, that is. And that's a chromed piece as well, so it doesn't look like it's damaging it. What also seems to help is if you just get yourself a little wire brush thing, dip that back in and that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave them all soaking in there for 24 hours and I'll get back to you. Right guys, so this has been left sitting for 24 hours. Results are mixed. Like, I mean, this one looks really great. Another one looks really great. Let's find some, like that one there, that's not quite so good. And it's definitely removed most of the rust on it. So I think what my plan will be is I'm going to drain it, get each tool out one by one, wash it off in there and just give it a light scrubbing, and that. So let's get to it. Start this screwdriver, give it a let's just come off that. Got this spanner, dip off in there. I'd hate to think how many hours I'd have to spend doing this by hand with a wire brush. Again, looks good. And these look like that hardly need anything, to be honest. that's it. I think the main place it might need it is, you know, where you've got the lettering. Yeah. Give that a scrub down. Rinse off, that's came straight off. Should have a go at these scissors, shall we? Because they were really corroded. I think, to be honest, these scissors have been in our family for generations, I'd say. Looking at the state of them. Some tough bits to get into there. But just removing the rust, because they've already lost a lot of their coating already. Yeah, you can see how that water change colour, can't you? Still got some slight, that side's fine, a bit pitting on that side. That'll be fine. So I think this is one of the worst ones. I'll do that for you, and I'll stop it, do the rest, and we can see the results. Today, you want to watch me scrub away for all these tools for ages. As you can see, that's came up nice and clean, made in England. There we go. Alright, I'll get the rest of the tools done and I'll show you the end results. Right guys, the reason why we're at a different location is because number one complaint you get about people when they de-rust their tools is they say, oh, after a day or two they just go rusty again. Well, the reason for that is because they don't dry them. So turn this on. As you can see, some of these have turned out really well. Hi guys, thanks for watching. All credit goes to Backyard Ballistics, who originally came up with this formula. If you liked the video, please watch and subscribe. As a small channel, it really helps us out. So peace out, thanks for watching. Also, I'll leave a pinned comment of links as to where you can get the ingredients for this. Thanks, have a good day, bye.